Hey, welcome to The Explainer. You know, sometimes the most mind-blowing ideas are hiding in the most ordinary places. Today we're looking at a holiday greeting. Yeah, a holiday card. But this one might just be a message from the future of how we work. Let's get into it.
Okay, here it is. I'm just going to read the whole thing out loud so we can really let it sink in. On behalf of Bob Slavic, Chief Technologist at Virtualization Options LLC, and all his various artificial intelligence resources, systems, and personas, we'd all like to wish you and yours only the best this holiday season and throughout the new year. I mean, wow, right?
So at first you read that and you think, okay, that's a nice holiday wish. But the second you stop and actually think about it, a ton of questions just start bubbling up. What is really going on inside this sentence? Let's break this thing down.
To really get what's happening here, we have to look at who's involved. So we're going to start with the part of the message that feels totally normal, the human part.
First up, we've got our sender, Bob Slavic. He's the person, the human anchor in all of this. He's the one who, presumably, hit the send button.
And Bob works at a company called Virtualization Options LLC. I mean, with a name like that, you already know we're deep in the tech world, right? We're talking about some pretty complex digital stuff.
And check out his title, Chief Technologist. This is so important. This isn't just some guy who likes gadgets. A chief technologist is a top-level executive. Their entire job is to think about what technology is going to look like in the future for their company. So the words he picks, you can bet they're chosen very, very carefully.
All right, now let's get to the really juicy part, the piece of this that makes it so fascinating. We need to figure out who or what these other senders are, the artificial collaborators.
And here's what's so interesting. Bob doesn't just say, "and my AI." Nope. He's super specific. He breaks it down into 3 different categories: resources, systems, and personas. This tells you it's not just a casual throwaway line. It's a deliberate classification. He's thinking about these AIs as having different roles.
The message kicks off with that classic phrase, on behalf of. You know, we're used to hearing the boss say that for their employees, for their human team. But here you have a human speaking on behalf of things that aren't human. It's automatically putting them in the group, saying he has the authority to represent them.
And then we hit the word, the one little word that changes absolutely everything: we. We'd all like to wish you. That pronoun, we, creates a team. It's a group word that pulls the human and the artificial into one single identity.
So that brings us to the biggest question of all, doesn't it? When Bob Slavic uses the word we, who is he actually talking about? Who is this group, this collective that's sending out holiday cheer?
This we is a brand new kind of team. On one side, you've got Bob Slavic. He's a person. He can genuinely wish something for someone. He can feel that sentiment. But then on the other side, you've got AI resources and AI systems. Can a system wish you a Happy New Year? Probably not, right? And yet in this message, they are all presented as equal partners in sending that wish.
So what does this all mean? What's the big deal? Well, this isn't just someone being clever with their holiday card. This whole thing is a signal, a little glimpse into a totally new way of thinking about collaboration, about our jobs, and maybe even about who we are.
And here's the big takeaway. That clear, solid line we used to draw between a person doing their job and the tools they use, it's not just getting blurry, it's starting to vanish. This message is pointing to a future where our professional identity isn't just us anymore. It's a hybrid, a fusion of our own human brain and the incredible power of the AI we work with.
So let's look at this phrase one last time. Reading it now. After all this, we're not just hearing from Bob Slavic, the person. We're hearing from a new kind of entity. You could call it Team Slavic, a human-AI partnership, wishing everyone the best for the holidays.
And all of this leaves us with a really wild question to think about. In a world where our tools are literally becoming our teammates, will our future holiday greetings come just from us? Or will they come from the we that we've become with our technology? Who, or maybe what, is going to be signing your holiday card in 2030? Makes you think, doesn't it?